Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to next lesson of Ikra Joint Handwriting Series 3, and before starting our next lesson I'll take your small test. So what is the test today? Today you have to write what is rule number 7 job 1 and write any 3 example of it, and you also have to write what is rule number 7 job 2 with 3 examples. So this is your test, and you can pause the video and attempt your test, and after attempting your test, completing your test, you have to check from your Ikra joint handwriting series either you have done it correctly or not. And now let's start our next lesson. Okay, I'm going to write first word. It's trace. Formation of words should be good. Proper distance between the alphabets, and write neatly like this. Here see my slant tall upswing is not correct. I am correcting it. So it should be properly slant tall upswing. So it should be good. And you have to write with pen, so be careful. Okay, now I'm going to write next word, which is courage. Formation of words should be good. Equal should be same, size should be same. Like this. Okay, now I'm going to write balance. Formation of B should be correct. There should be a small distance between these two, and then you have to write A. Balance. Loop should be according to B. Proper distance between alphabets. Size should be same. Like this. Okay, now I'm going to write next word, which is garbage. We'll write G. Write neatly. There should be proper distance between the alphabets. Formation of B should be exact. There should be triangles where it's needed. आप लोगों को नज़र भी आ रहा होगा जहाँ जहाँ ट्रायंगल बन रही है और होनी चाहिए वहाँ प्रॉपरली नज़र आ रही है. अगर ये ट्रायंगल्स होंगी तो आप लोगों की राइटिंग और भी अच्छी लगेगी और डिस्टेंस भी बिल्कुल सही और इक्वल नज़र आएगा आपके वर्ड्स में. So these are words, and the words are trace, courage, balance and garbage. So in these words there are two common things, and what are these two common things? Here we have sound of S. Sound of C is S. Trace. When we'll pronounce this word, तो C की क्या sound आ रही है? S. Trace. And in the same way here when we pronounce this word courage, तो G की क्या sound आ रही है? J. यानी कि C और G दोनों की सेकंड साउंड हमें सुनाई दे रही है. और सेकंड साउंड जैसे कि C की फर्स्ट साउंड क्या है? ख, और सेकंड क्या है? स. इन द सेम वे G की फर्स्ट साउंड है ग एंड सेकंड साउंड इज ज. तो इट्स मीन इज दैट लेट्स रीड द अदर एग्जांपल आल्सो. बैलेंस, इसमें भी स साउंड आ रही है. गार्बेज, इसमें भी G की सेकंड साउंड हमें सुनाई दे रही है. सो इट्स मीन इज़ दैट कि वी कैन से दैट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ, और एक और बात जो आप लोगों ने नोटिस की होगी कि इनके लास्ट में क्या है, मैजिक ई हमें नज़र आ रहा है। इन सारे वर्ड्स के लास्ट में हमें मैजिक ई नज़र आ रहा है। सो मैजिक ई की वजह से जो सी और जी है, इनकी फर्स्ट साउंड सेकंड साउंड में चेंज हो गई है। जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मैजिक ई, फर्स्ट साउंड चेंजेस इनटू सेकंड साउंड. So here is our rule number 7 job 3, which tells us that just because of magic E, C say S and G say J. Let's have a look on the rule. So this is our rule number 7 job 3, change, chance, and these are example, change, chance, and here we have magic E. Makes the G say J and C say S. Just because of this magic E, G and C change their first sound into second sound and they will say J and S. Clear? And as we have read example also, trace, courage, balance, garbage. So this is clear to all. Now let's move toward copywriting, and before this we have to revise our previous rule, and you have to revise them. You can pause the video और पीछे से सारे rules को एक बार revise कर लें, because I'll take your test before every lesson. So today we are going to revise two previous jobs of rule number 7, which is what is job number 1 of rule number 7, if say I, in which we have taken the example of time. And rule number 7 job 2 is no uv at the end of the word. Yes, English words do not end at u and v. So this is clear to all. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going towards the example from your notebook. Let's move. Yes, we have first word is trace, and we can have a look at the rule also. Job 7 job 3, change, chance. E makes G say J and C say S. Okay, here we have first word trace, and its meaning is copy a drawing, map or design by drawing over its line on a superimposed piece of transparent पेपर. यानी कि ये जैसा कि आप लोगों को पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा होगा, अगर हम इन डॉट्स को ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो ये ट्रेसिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. सो नाउ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन इज़, okay, next one is manage, and its meaning is be in charge of or to run something, for example as we manage our time. Okay, next one is courage, and its meaning is, which mean is bravery. We can take example, he fought his illness with great courage. Okay, next one is defense, and its meaning is the action of defending from or resisting attack. Okay, and okay, next one is balance, an even distribution of weight is balance. And next we have village, and we all know that what is village, a place near which has a very peaceful and near to nature environment, that is called village. And next one is embrace, to meet someone, so that is called embrace. And last one is garbage. Garbage is trash, as we can see in the picture also. Now let's write on our copy. So when you are doing your work, don't forget to write date. And here I'm going to write the first word for you, which is manage. See it properly how to write. Here I have made mistake, let me correct it. ओके, एज आई करेक्टेड इट तो इसकी इंक थोड़ी फैल गई, आप लोग केयरफुली अपना वर्क कीजिएगा. ओके, लेट मी राइट अनदर वर्ड फॉर यू. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डिफेंस. As I told you, you should have to be careful while you are doing your work with pen. Formation of words should be correct. There should be equal distance between the alphabets. Write carefully. Take your time. There is no need to write it hurriedly like this. Okay, let me write another one for you. I'll write village. लूप ऑफ एल शुड बी करेक्ट. दोनों का सेम साइज होना चाहिए. जी और ए की फॉर्मेशन सेम होनी चाहिए. देयर शुड बी ट्रायंगल्स लाइक दिस. सो लेट मी राइट अनदर वन फॉर यू. एम्ब्रेस. Be careful while you are doing your work with pen. Like this. Okay, we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.